Dear friend, what if I told you that it's possible to make as much as $1,000 in just 30 minutes? Or making over $30,000 every single month? You see, the truth is that in this day and age, making money online has never been so easy and simple right now. And no, I'm not talking about bitcoins, paid surveys, or even buying products to sell on the internet. Many of these methods are just too difficult for the ordinary folk. What I'm talking about is a new, easy, and interesting way that makes generating cash online so much simpler. And this is how Tiffany, a former accountant, started making over $1,000 every day despite having no experience. Or even Matt Haskins. Initially, he laughed at the simplicity and thought that it would never work. But now, in just 6 months alone, he has generated over $150,000. And when you think about the most ordinary of folk, you definitely can't leave out Belinda Jackson. When I found her, she didn't even know how to save a file on Microsoft Word. But now, she's making over $500 a day for just a few minutes of work on her laptop. And the truth is, this can be you too. Hi, my name is Monica White, and in the next 2 minutes and 16 seconds, what you're about to discover is going to change your life. Because I'm going to share with you a simple little known secret on how anyone, both young and old, can start profiting over $500, $800, and even $1,000 every day using nothing but just your laptop or your mobile phone. The best part? It's so flexible that you can do this part-time, working at your own schedule any time of the day. Trust me, it's so simple that by the end of this presentation, you will discover how you too can pull in income like this. And this. And even this. Listen, you're here watching this video for a reason, and I'm pretty darn sure you're looking for something that actually works, something that will pay your bills, something that is easy, simple to do, and without the need of any technical skills, something that earns you money day in and day out. And no matter what happens to the economy, you'll still be able to live the lifestyle that you deserve. So in just a moment, I'm going to reveal to you the one thing that I'm 100% confident that will change your life.